Today, hello friends, my name is Tay, and today we are opening Mrs. Paw candy, and this is where's and this is Mr. Chico. And what's the fun? If you want to see the cute ones. Okay, let's open it. Otherwise, don't get this one. I'm poor because I want this one. What is it? What is this? A candy one? No way! Open it. You can help me while you can open it. I think I bring or bring this to me. It's not this one, this one, this or it's the candy. I think we have. Oh no. Is this Mrs. Paw with a candy can? Wait, I got a brown one stuck in there. Thank you for watching for my channel. Bye. You can also remove it. This is Mrs. Coretta. Oh, thank you for watching. Bye.